Hello, my name is Borja Genovés and I am a researcher at IMDEA Networks. Today I would like to provide you with some keys for understanding why the creation of a sustainable technology is needed and how we are contributing to it. We live in a world where everybody is connected to the internet. We are consuming streaming services for watching movies, we are using social networks, we are playing video games, and also we are using virtual and augmented reality services. All this is possible thanks to a huge infrastructure of telecommunication and a great progress of the current technology. This is in charge of guaranteeing such a connection to the internet. However, there are two main limitations for these wireless data services. The first one is that most of these wireless services traditionally make use of frequencies within what is called the radio frequency spectrum. These frequencies are almost run out, and we must look for another alternative for data transmission. The second main limitation is that these devices consume a lot of energy and they make use of batteries or power line, which is in contrast to the Green Deal of the European and global policies. We must contribute to the reduction of the carbon footprint produced by the technology. For all these reasons, we must look for another way of communicating data. During this time, LED lighting is expanding and it is everywhere. Then why not to use lighting for data wireless communication? This technology is called visible light communication. We are researching about it and we use LEDs for transmitting information. Then could you imagine that you can see your coverage? Could you imagine a connected world thanks to the light? For developing a communication link, we need a transmitter and a receiver. Let's start with the transmitters. Currently, LEDs are deployed everywhere, so in most of the cases we don't need to produce additional devices for data transmission. The infrastructure is already there for its use, and we only must provide LED bulbs with communication capabilities. The LED is switched off and switched on for transmitting information, but we cannot detect this variation because it is done very fast. In summary, we are doing two tasks simultaneously. Firstly, we are illuminating an area, and secondly, we are providing data wireless services. Let's say we are providing connection to the internet. On the receiver side, we can use multiple devices, such as photodiodes or camera sensors. But what is even more interesting is that we can use solar cells as receivers. This way we are receiving data, but at the same time we are harvesting energy. We are able to produce devices without batteries, which will help the world's sustainability. Our project called ENLIGHTEM is contributing to reduce the carbon footprint of the technology. We must be aware of the green policies and help with our daily actions.